Hi there, and welcome back to this WordPress course by bizanosa.com. So we've installed WordPress. In this video, I want to show you how to redirect this so that the website homepage will be in tips.bizanosa.com. So to do that, let's go back here and go back to cPanel. So I want to go to the file manager. So I will click on file manager, and you can see it brings me this. So I will choose the website that I want to go to, and I want to go to tips.bizanosa.com. Then I want to show hidden files so that I can see my .htaccess and anything else. Then I will come inside here and I will copy index. You will copy it, not move it, and I will copy it to that, copy files. Then I will go back and then I will open this index.html, index.php, I mean. Then I want to change this WP. I want to change this to go to tips. I will save this, and if I come back here, and reload this website, you will see that the website is now here. And if you come here, you'll see that's an error. So what you'll do is, if you want to go to your dashboard, you'll have to add tips/wp admin. This is where the files for the website are. So you will log in with your credentials, and with that, I will see you in the next video.